Hi, I'm Tim Carter from AskTheBuilder.com, and we're here continuing to pour the concrete slab, and I want to show you a neat tool they're getting ready to use. It's a power screed. It's really, really cool. It's got a little gasoline engine on it, and of course that gasoline engine causes, through a cable, a vibration, and it causes this particular long blade on this tool to vibrate. They've got it going right now, and they're getting ready to use it. And what they've done is they've created two spots that they're screeding against, and you'll notice this. Right here along the wall is a spot, and of course in the middle is a spot. And they make the tool come in, and look how it works. They just float it along. Watch this, they're going to make two specific lines, and the operator is just gently floating the tool across the concrete. But look how smooth the concrete is on the back side. Now watch this. Let's go up here. You'll get a better view. Look at how smooth that is on the other side of that nice long straight edge blade. That is beautiful. Notice how look how rough the concrete is on this side, but on the other side it's nice and smooth. And notice how it's just floating along the edge here, and he's doing the same over that in there. Because that nice edge is straight, it makes the entire concrete surface in the same plane. And you can see over there how rough it is, but look how smooth it is here. In the old days, that took a lot of time to do that. That is an amazing tool. That's a nice power screed. I doubt you're going to have one of those on your do-it-yourself job, but hopefully the professionals who pour your concrete slab will have one. Really allows them to do a lot of work very fast. It's a great tool. I'm Tim Carter for Ask the Builder. If you want to discover more home improvement tips, go to AskTheBuilder.com.